It's a rainy, dreary, and dark day today outside, but it's a happy, bright day for me because I am getting a freaking another Mustang. Is it a good move? I don't know. It's one of those things that, you know, it's tempting to almost fix it, but I can't do that. I got enough junk already. I can't be fixing everything.
I want the world's opinion here. This color, this top is the world's, look at this interior. Ugliest Mustang ever produced ever, okay?
No, there's worse.
No.
Yeah, like Fox bodies from like the early 80s or 4-cylinder cars or like orange.
But this is so bad. I mean, I'm not talking engine drivetrain. This is a great donor car.
Yeah, dude, this thing could be sweet though. You gotta admit, she's got some potential. I had no plans really. Suspension's all jack, shock, all this crap, but you know, it's all stuff that I have in my garage to replace it, or just an angle kit. But that's all she needs, an angle kit, dude. Stangle
Coilovers
and coilovers and some chassis stiffening. This thing would be money. Well, today's the day. Finally getting this piece of junk out of the field. Just get some work done to her. What a gem. Paint's still fairly nice on this thing, you know what I mean? I haven't seen this thing in like a year and a half. It's just been sitting out here. But we're gonna get her going today. So long, the bag blew off the intake and there's a whole bunch of bees and shit that are in there. So that's not good for compression. Holy crap, that's a whole nest in there. It's kind of hard to tell, but there's an entire nest in there. All right, somewhat not a cold start. It's like 50 degrees, but hey, you know, it's a long year and a half start. Oh. Is it blowing a bunch of smoke?
Yeah. It's not even down now.
See if it'll hold an idle. Listen to this thing, man. It's amazing it's idling that good without a mass airflow on it. Or an air intake temp sensor. Oh, man. I didn't even check the oil. Got this minty thing all loaded up. It was a little bit of a struggle with that bent right front suspension, but she's on the trailer. Hasn't moved in like a year and a half from that spot, so it's kind of decent to get it out of here, I guess. Especially since this is my friend's parents' place. But got the spare changed out because she popped, got all the damn hornets out of there. I think we're making progress here. Time to get this bitch back home. Well, there she is. See how towed out it is there, and so it was skidding that driver's side tire, I guess, because that was the easy one to skid.
See if the
All right, we're gonna see if the top works on this thing.
grab that bag out first.
Oh yeah, thanks. Short. I've got a good memory. It's just short, or whatever CVE says. All right. Here goes nothing. Uh-oh. What the hell's even back here? I don't think I've ever even opened this thing.
Good.
Dude, winter, spring 97. Finding some minty stuff in here. Quick and Check Simple Pack. 97, man. There's some good stuff back here. And by that I mean just a bunch of shit.
This looks like a cover for the top when the top is down.
Yeah, I think so. Once I put the top down, she's never going back on. I don't know. That's a lie. Is there supposed to be a release or something?
Who knows?
Well, I just found out that you have to have the handbrake up for the top to come down. So let's see. I have the handbrake set. Let's see if this thing will go down. Hell yeah. Up. Ooh, there she goes. A little bit of a bind there. Yeah, all it took was a little bit of WD-40, and now I have myself a real nice convertible.